Skyvern AI is making waves as an AI browser agent platform, but does it live up to the hype? In a world where online privacy and efficiency are paramount, let's dive into what Skyvern really offers and whether it's worth your time. Skyvern AI positions itself as a smart browser assistant designed to enhance your online experience. At its core, it aims to streamline tasks, automate repetitive actions, and even help with data gathering. The interface is pretty user-friendly, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who might not be as comfortable with advanced technology. What stands out immediately is its ability to integrate with various web applications, which could be a game changer for professionals who juggle multiple platforms daily. However, the specifics on how it achieves this integration are a bit sparse. There's a lot of talk about its AI capabilities, but without clear examples or use cases, it's hard to gauge how effective they really are in practice. One area that feels a bit unclear is the level of customization available. While it's marketed as a versatile tool, I found myself wondering just how much control users have over its functionalities. On the positive side, Skyvern AI could save users a significant amount of time with its automation features. For busy professionals or students, this could definitely enhance productivity, especially if it lives up to its promise of simplifying online tasks. However, there are some concerns. The lack of detailed information about its features makes it hard to trust that it'll deliver everything it claims. Plus, for those who prioritize privacy, it's worth questioning how data is handled, especially with an AI platform. Pricing details are also a bit murky, which might deter potential users looking for clear costs before diving in. Overall, while it has the potential to be a useful tool, it may not suit everyone. Users who need robust privacy controls or specific integrations might want to explore alternatives. In summary, Skyvern AI seems promising, especially for those looking to streamline their online tasks. However, the lack of transparency and detailed information raises some red flags. If you're someone who values detailed control and privacy, it might be worth considering other options. For everyone else, it could be a tool worth trying out,